Whew. So did you like the middle? Was that okay?
Yeah, it's good. I just, this field is like...
It's short, it's tight,
yeah.
right? Mm.
Yeah, it's a bit...
Anwar, what'd you think, man?
Huh?
Would you like your side or you want to switch sides? Left, right, center? Okay.
He's gonna be middle with me, so you guys take out
Cool.
sides.
All right. Hey, pro tip.
So I got what is this? My left, my right, my right.
First and then truck.
Pro tip. Let's push as far as we can to the truck.
Yeah.
Push as far as we can to the truck.
Okay.
Even gets up to the truck, okay? Make sure your guns work, okay?
Okay.
Good.
Ready?
Razor.
Up.
Wait.
Heard.
Wait.
He's coming. Run, Forrest.
Run! All right, Anwar, run all the way to the truck, eh? I'll be right behind you.
We're going to be right behind you, Anwar.
Hey, let's stay by the car. He's scared.
Yeah.
He's scared, guys.
She's coming. Ready?
Go! Oh. Didn't pop. Bounce. Oh, that hurt though. Where are they?
You're good. Keep going.
Stop.
He's behind the wood right there. Amar, he's behind that wood. He's behind the wood right here. No. Like, look outside. He's behind that yellow piece.
Can you shoot? Shoot where he is. Oh, that's sick. Hey, you're hit, Cayenne. You see him? Donald's on the right. One on the right. One on the right. Josh, you good? Dustin's on the right. He's moving. Oh, on your, to your left, Josh. I think it's 3 versus 2. Hey Josh, I'm gonna come behind you, okay?
If you want to move up, I'll cover you.
I'm gonna try to get this guy. Oh! Bounce! There's one laying flat in the middle. The ball bounced, okay? Hold on.
Okay, you ready?
Donald. Hold on. I got him right here. Oh shit, I'm out, dude.
Hey, Justin has no ammo.
I've got no ammo.
Okay.
Donald's in the middle, okay? That's Donald.
I'm just letting them waste the bullet.
Yeah. Oh! 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 Whoa! This guy! That was good, huh? Woohoo! Oh!
Did that hurt?
Oh, hell yeah, it hurt! Hell yeah, it hurt! Oh my god! Got a killer here! Oh. He's out, let him out!
Trying to get him. That sucker right there. That little motherfucker.
Bro, I would have shot y'all, bro.
Yeah, you did. I saw you the whole time.
Okay, look.
Game, game, game! Damn, man, good job, Josh. Bro, you got. Oh, this guy, man. Stabbed me in the back. Woo! Good job, man. Killers out there. God.
Over here, you?
I thought it was pinned down. Dustin killed me, man.
That's right. No fear. No fear.
No fear. This guy. I was like, it's so quiet. Oh, my back. Oh, good. Hey, barrel socks, barrel socks. Damn, Kyan, where were you?
Huh?
Where were you?
I got Anwar out at the truck with Bang Bang, but Josh was at the truck.
I saw
with
that.
him.
I saw that. You got Anwar, yeah,
And
yeah.
I got shot by Josh.
Yeah, when you ran away.
Josh, your last bullet hit me then. His last bullet hit me.
Oh, damn.
Were you with Anwar at
Yeah,
the truck?
let's swap.
Yeah, originally. So when you ran out and bang banged him, I just started lighting you up.
But you were at the truck with him.
No, I was right behind it, and then I moved up as soon as I
okay.
got there.
Because I was like, bang, bang, and then I dipped back. So what I thought is I thought he shot me after I bang banged him.
No,
So
that's
I was like, and then that's when you were like, yeah, I hit you. I was like, okay, okay. That's why I was like, oh, okay, it was you. So I was like, if he hit me, because I saw his shadow.
We have squeegees. You don't have to taste it.
Dude, I wish I had a camera to get, because I saw what Dustin did like right in front of me. Like I was right behind him.
To be honest,
And he like sprinted across and
Dustin, good
dolphin
job, bro.
dove. He dolphin dove behind the boat, dude.
did you?
Yeah, he
Oh
like-
my god.
He almost got shot by me.
To be fair, it was recorded on the GoPro, and I had no idea.
No, you
Because I'm looking this way and it's recording all around, dude.
Ran up and was
Holy
like,
shit.
and like you heard him just like boom, and he like as soon as he popped up, he was like, boom. I think he got 2 people after him. Yeah, he like,
I can't believe you shot me with your last bullet, bro.
dude,
I was trying to wait for one of y'all to run out of bullets.
I knew you had no idea Francisco was still in because you started rotating around, and when you were like this, Francisco was like right behind you.
just like.
But he was like poof, poof, and I was like, oh, he must be really
was
sick
so
on
good.
bullets.
I was trying not to waste it.
Yeah. And then I saw him pop up and run up. Dude, the other side of the truck from this side of the map sucks. It's all muddy.
Okay, everybody, let's get air and move to the next.
We move on.
Yeah, who won that one?
We did.
So it's